Welcome to June's Leetcode challenge. Today's problem is search insert position. Given a sorted array and a target value, return the index if the target is found. That's easy, that's just a binary search. But if not, here's the twist. Return the index where it would be if it was inserted in order. If we're given number 5 in this array, we'll return 2, just like a typical binary search. But if we're given number 2 in the same array, we would return 1 because that's where it would be inserted. So it's an interesting twist, but the basic structure of the algorithm remains the same. We'll have a left pointer and a right pointer. Now, while L is less than R, what are we going to do? What we want to do is, if it's equal, we want to return or keep that left and right pointer going towards that position. So basically, we want to check to see if this number is either equal to or I guess greater than. So let me see here. If the target is less than or equal to, well, first we have to calculate mid, so that'd be L plus R divided by 2. And we're going to say, okay, if target is less than or equal to our nums mid, what do? It's less, so we want to move our, well, we have to continue to search the left side, so we have to change the right pointer. So we'll make that R equal to mid. Otherwise, what do we want to do? We're going to make L equal to mid plus 1. And this way, what it allows us to do is get that pointer up. So say we have the number 2 given to us, we want that left pointer to be pointing to here, right? Not here. So unless it's equal to it, then it'll just iterate down until left and right pointer are both equal that, or we want it to eventually go to the one that's pointing to the number right after it. So we can, once that's finished, we can just return our L pointer. And let me make sure this works. So that does work for a test case, but I know this fails because there is one use case where it wouldn't work if the number is greater than everything. So if the number was given to us was 7, well, this gives us a problem because it's going to not be able to point to where it should be, which is 4. That doesn't exist, right? So the way I solved it was just to append that to the list itself. Just have a float and make it the max float number, and that way we could take care of that problem. The logic still remains the same. So let's go ahead and submit that, and there, it's accepted. All right, thank you.